Happy New Year's, everyone. My name is 5 Minute Bob, and I'm here to provide you real quick advice on how to land you a job and some actionable next steps all under 5 minutes. Before jumping into the nitty-gritty, quick background on me. I was just like you, someone who couldn't land a job no matter how hard I searched. I had a bachelor's degree in history at just a mediocre college, and I had no real direction to knowing what I wanted to do. And I'm here to say that's completely okay. You don't need to know what you want to do right now. The goal right now is to land a job that can pay the bills and help build up your resume. So to start off, we're going to talk about 2 things you need to know about how to be efficient and effective with your application so we can guarantee you an interview. Lastly, I want to provide you with actionable next steps so that you can take after watching this video. So let's get to it. One, what are the most effective and efficient ways to apply? Applying is a numbers game. The more you apply, the better chance you get a call back. When I was doing my search, I applied to 10 jobs a week. I'll break it into 3 types of jobs. Low tier, jobs that I would probably not take, but very likely I'll get a call back. Medium tier, jobs that I would accept and is along the lines with what I feel like I would like and enjoy. And then just more in the high tier is just jobs that I would definitely accept, but are most likely out of my reach, but still something I dream to achieve. Why this method? Use the low tier jobs as ego boost and practice. Use the mid tiers as your target jobs that is right at your level based on your qualifications. And high tier are those North Star jobs that you're striving for. People say, don't waste your time, but I've got callbacks for jobs that I thought I would never get, but I did it anyways. Not only that, I got an offer as well. So why 10 jobs a week? There's no magic number that you'll get a guaranteed callback with how many jobs you apply. But for me, I realized through my own process, I see the best results when I was applying to 10 to 15 jobs per week. I would typically get a callback for 1 for every 10 to 20 jobs I applied to. And just another methodology to this is use websites such as LinkedIn and Indeed to apply. These aggregate jobs very well and it's easy to search. And just using 1 or 2 platforms to search. Don't go through many of them. Just go 1 through 2 because they're going to be redundant. If you don't have a LinkedIn account, make one now. Sometimes they require you to create a profile or populate info when you're applying to other job or company websites. The best way to combat this and not to waste time is I like to create a template in a Word doc and where I can just copy and paste as a reference for future other jobs if the job application requires you to input something into their own application process. And then just my second point, are cover letters important? Simple answer is no. It is not needed. Please do not waste your time on a cover letter. If the application does not require it, do not create a cover letter. Focus on making sure your resume is strong and grammatically correct. Like I said, it's a numbers game. Don't waste your time on it. All the time you spend on your cover letter and reformatting it to be applicable to a new job is a waste of your time that can be allocated for your resume and search. And yes, I understand a lot of recruiters say it's important, but to be honest, your resume does the storytelling, not the cover letter. Another reason why I don't like cover letters, it's just another opportunity to make mistakes. Just invest on the resume. If you have the time, sure, go for it. Do a cover letter. It's a luxury, not a necessity. Most jobs online are either already halfway through their interview process, already gone, but somehow not removed from the internet, or you have no chance due to the fact there's simply just better candidates out there. So why waste your time on creating a longer cover letter? Lastly, your action item. If you don't have a LinkedIn account, create one. Also, after getting off this video, set yourself a target goal every week. Apply to 10 jobs a week, 15 if you feel like you're getting lucky. You will get a call back within a few weeks. Trust the process. Law of average will always work in your favor. That's it for today, guys. If you like these short videos, please subscribe and like. See you next week with some more 5-minute videos. Thank you. Bye.